YouTube, what's up, what's good, and welcome back to Facing Forward. Hey, look, it's the 4th of July. You know, I understand we don't celebrate the 4th of July no more, but we did do, I actually didn't do nothing. I think I did something, a little bit of something on June 10th, but my wife had to work, so we wasn't able to really get it in like we wanted to. I did go to a friend's party, but you know, the kids, are you in line? The kids, you know, they want to pop fireworks. So it's raining right now, but later on it's not gonna be raining. So we're gonna barbecue just a little bit, and yeah, tonight we're gonna pop a little fireworks. That's tradition that we always do. I started popping fireworks on Juneteenth as well, but I'm also always gonna still pop them on the 4th. This more so just something I do for the kids. Sending the prayers out to all those people that was in Highland Park, that was in the 4th of July parade today, that you know, got gunned down and all just the senseless violence. But that's one of the main reasons why you have to take every opportunity out and you know, make sure that your kids have the most fun time as possible, because you never know when your number is going to be called on this earth. So look, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. St. Louis, Missouri, 2022. Metro by T-Mobile. Doing some rib tips right now, and I'm doing some skirt steaks. We're gonna make tacos, nachos, and then we're gonna do skirt steak over Mexican rice. Also, we got some corn, so we're just switching it up this year. Not trying to do nothing traditional. Let me let you see what I got going right now. Just so your boy is about to eat. There's the corn. There is the skirt steak tacos with the grilled onions. I also had some nachos with some homemade guacamole. Here is, let me turn the light on real quick for y'all. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the Mexican rice. We can put a whole skirt steak over that rice with some guacamole, cheese, and sour cream if you want. Cut it up, or just a whole slab. But that's what that is for. But I am about to eat, guys, because it's almost time in a minute for me to start the fireworks for Facing Forward. Did you poop on yourself? Let me see the poop. Oh my God, Carter has poop.
It's pooping. Oh, ew.
Bruh.
Guys, sorry I wasn't on here before. but I was very, 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 very busy. I didn't want to burn anything. I wanted to make sure all the measurements was correct. And so, yeah, you didn't see me very much. And then I look a mess. I didn't even get my hair done for the 4th. But who kind of cares about the 4th anyway?
Wait, the police right there.
Oh, what that is? Whoa! Bang, bang, bang.
Police came over there, y'all, and they was like, man, you can't be popping no fireworks by the street or on the street. But I was near the street, but one on the street, but whatever. We'll give you that. But I needed to be on a flat surface because a couple of the fireworks did tip over. I think one of them did, not a couple of them, just one of them did. So I wanted to make sure I was on a flat surface. So I got closer to the street that was flat. So I did see the car like down the street, just creeping and like stopped. And I should have known that that's who that was, but I thought it was just a car waiting till we finished. So we didn't get to finish all our fireworks today. He just was like, you know what I'm saying, if it was anybody else, you would have got a fine. Just don't pop them on the street. But yeah, look, I went on to pop like 2 more and got up in the house. So the people across the street, they won an award today because they saw us talk to the police and they stopped for about 10, 15 minutes. Then they started back. So really, you know what I'm saying, y'all took advantage of us being the first people that they interacted with today, or at least tonight or on our block, and then y'all kept on going. I still have some more in the arsenal, but I figured, you know what I'm saying, let me take this win and go on the crib, because I'm not finna pay $750, $2,000, none of that. Thanks for watching, guys. You know what I'm saying, get your grub on. 4th of July, what's up? Juneteenth, what's up? And Key, Miles over there cleaning up, getting it in. He the only one that do what we ask for him to do majority of the time. But remember to always trust the process and keep facing forward.